I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear window regulator on a 02-06 Jeep Liberty. Start by lowering the window, removing the door panel, and disconnecting the wiring before unbolting the regulator assembly. Keep fasteners organized and label connectors to simplify reassembly. Work patiently when peeling clips and insulation to avoid tearing. I'll walk you through motor removal, guide rail alignment, and a smooth test before final reinstallation. Begin by removing screws and gently prying trim to expose hidden fasteners, then disconnect the window switch harness and courtesy light connectors. Lift the panel upward to free the top clips and set the panel aside on a padded surface. Peel back the vapor barrier slowly to preserve it for resealing. Keep track of clips and screws in a small container so you won't lose parts during reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy car repair content. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle because it stays sealed, fits cup holders, and keeps me hydrated during long projects. It's a simple tool that saves spill stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. With the glass supported, unbolt the regulator and motor assembly and remove it through the access opening. Transfer any needed clips or spacers to the new regulator and loosely install the new assembly. Then align the glass in the track before fully tightening mounting bolts. Reconnect the motor wiring and test the window operation to confirm smooth travel. Make final adjustments for proper fit and torque all fasteners to secure everything safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.